In this video, we'll write a simple word counter. We'll start off by writing a function called word count. This takes in some text that's coming from the user. And what we want to do is split the text into a list of words and then return the length of the list, which represents our word count. So let's put in the results, or first let's split the input that has come in from the user, the text, using this split method. Now this is going to return a list. Now, sorry, I should have put a semicolon. That's going to return a list. We want to store the result into a list called words. And then what we want to do is, let's see what we've got, is assigned but never used. Okay. And then what we want to do is return the length of that list. That's it. So that's the function basically. Next, we've got a main function. Let's define it. And let's call it as well here. So we call the main function to run the program. The main function here, in the main function, we would like to ask the user to enter a input. Enter a sentence or paragraph like this. And when the user enters a sentence or a paragraph, it's going to be lost. So we want to store that into a variable that we can call user input. Next, we want to count the words and display the results using a formatted string literal. Let's start with counting the words first. And to do that, we simply want to use that function and pass in our user input. But this is going to return a value, which is a number. We want to store the result into a variable called result. Next, we want to print or display the result, and we'd like to use a formatted string literal. So that's pretty much what it will do, is we'll use the letter F to indicate that this is an F string. Next, we can put in whatever words we'd like to say. So words, say words count, word count, and whatever we put in the curly brace will be replaced by the actual value that's coming in from that variable. Oh, I can't type today. All right, that's it. Let's run the program and see how this works. So it's asking the user to enter a sentence or a paragraph. I'm just going to write something, and it says it's a total of 5 words. And you can actually try it with less or more. That's 2 words. Obviously, you would probably be pasting something, but I haven't got anything to paste. So that's it. That's pretty much is our simple word counter. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the future videos. Thank you.